Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. I hope you are well. Today is 6th of August 2021 and we'll be analyzing Euro Manganese, which the SX code is EMN. Another EV related stock that was just sitting at a very strategic entry point last couple of days, and we have once again decided to take advantage of that together with some of our VIP members. So let's have a look what's happening. I just want to remind you this is not advanced. Sorry. I just want to remind you this is not a financial advice. Okay, it's just us sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when we buy, when we should sell stocks, to make some consistent trades of 20-30% and to avoid FOMO. So if you like the way we trade, please subscribe our channel now and also share this video with someone that you believe will be adding value to. This is very important for us. If you don't like the analysis, I would urge you to dislike and also put the comment why you don't agree with us. So it's very important your insight. That's how we build our business and that's how we build our strategies as well. So now, regarding this company, Euro Manganese, it is a still speculative stage. That's what I mean. When I mean speculative stage means that the company is still not producing anything, not generating a revenue, but from capital raises and off-taking sort of deals that they do. But it is a very promising business because they have a project in Europe, in Czech Republic, and this project is it's meant to produce high purity manganese, which they call HPM, which is a product that is very important for the lithium-ion batteries. And even Tesla mentioned that in Battery Day last year. They got also Volkswagen adopting this type of lithium-ion battery, and obviously the demand is just skyrocketing. Now, today we also have this announcement from Biden signing an executive order targeting 50% of all U.S. vehicle to be zero emission by 2030. What does it really mean for those stocks? Well, it just means that people get excited, the market get excited about these type of companies, and that's where we want to take advantage of it. Okay, but one thing is very important when we're talking about speculative stock. Okay, understand that the share price, it's normally driven by announcements, by news, by the progress of the by every single step of the company towards to production, towards to funds, receiving funding, agreements, commercial agreements, and much more. So this is all every time the company announces news in that sort of steps, and that's what moves the share price. But in this case, I believe there is also a market sentiment favorable for these type of stocks at the moment. So is lithium skyrocketing because the demand. Also for manganese, there is a forecast research that says that it's potentially will be a demand surpassing supply at the early stages of 2023, 2024, 2025. So that's when obviously any stock, a manganese related stock, that a company that will be close to producing or actually producing, I'm pretty sure automaker vehicles and battery makers will be wanted to have the footprint in those businesses as well. I would, at least. So now, looking at the the stock price, and by the way, guys, if you want to have access to the full analysis for this stock we're going to be putting on our free Facebook group, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. That will be the link for the full analysis that we did at the BG Trading website, which is here, by the way, just so you understand how we do this analysis. Obviously, some locking parts just for VIP members, including the entry details and everything. But overall, it's going to give you a very good idea what's happening with the company. And that's exactly what we want to do when we're speculating either to trade or to invest. Now, the stock price, let's have a look what's happening. Now, 11.20% up. Okay, so what we did really, we bought the stock. When it was trading closer to the SMA. Okay, we bought around here, trading closer to the SMA. In fact, we did together with some of VIP members, and we'll be posting some details. If we manage to close the position nicely, I'll be posting some details. So in any speculative stock, what we need to do is we're just gonna buy. We don't want to buy when it is into a FOMO area. FOMO area means that stock is over 10% from the distance is over 10% from the SMA. And in this case, let's check if it is actually trading at the FOMO area already, because the share price has quite a big movement. It's 69 and a half, 69 and a half. Yeah, it is already trading in FOMO area. So obviously we don't want to be entering anymore. So this video probably will be more interested for people that is actually holding the stock. Now, as you can see here, there were some green candles with a high volume on the upside. So that's exactly what we want when we are holding a stock. And we want to keep holding the stock as long as it's trading in the green candles above the yellow line, which is just happening to be crossing here and doing what we call a bullish intersection level 2. A very important indicator from BG trading strategy. So that's why just keep holding at the moment. Very exciting times for this type of stocks. Now, in terms of a target. Well, this is another thing. You can always, if you're using our strategy, BGS20 strategy, you'll be looking at 20 to 30%, potentially 30% for this type of speculative gigs. But and then we do the 30%, we have to get out. That's the idea. Or you switch to what we call BG trading strategy, which is another strategy. That's why we have. If you want to learn about the strategies, just we have an online course as well. So I will make sure you take a look and talk to our team about the online course as well. Now, in terms of the target, there is, again, like we need to be setting the target for this stock. Our VIP members already know where we are aiming to go to. But one important thing when you actually trading speculative stock, especially this one, because the company is not producing and is still driven by news, it normally doesn't sustain the share price at highest levels. When it spikes, so what happens is there's this massive pull downs on the share price. And as you can see here, we have a 35% pull down from this spike here, 37% pull down from this spike, 38% pull down from this spike, and then 35% from this top here. So that tells us that if you're trading, you really need to lock in profit and buy again when it goes under the SMA or at the SMA levels. That's what you need to be doing in the stocks like this. Okay, so this is my taking on Europe Manganese, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Today is Friday, so have a lovely weekend. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.